Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The humidifier can safely run all night, putting much-needed moisture back into your child's room. Your baby will sleep much better with a little extra relief in the air, and you'll get better sleep, too.
Take our lead.
Risks of a humidifier running at night while moist air is good for optimal health. Running a humidifier all night increases the probability of releasing excess moisture into the air. This environment can encourage the growth of bacteria and mold.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.